In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 3-column layout in Mailchimp. Whether you're a seasoned marketer looking to spice up your newsletter, or a small business owner diving into the world of email marketing, understanding how to effectively use Mailchimp's design features can greatly enhance your communication. Today, we'll focus on something specific yet impactful, creating a 3-column layout in your Mailchimp emails. This layout is not just aesthetically pleasing, but also allows you to present information in a clean, organized way, maximizing your message's clarity and reader engagement. First things first, let's get into the platform. Open your web browser and type in the Mailchimp login URL to access the login page. You'll be greeted with the familiar chimp asking for your credentials. Start by typing in your username or email. Remember, this should be the email you used when you signed up for Mailchimp. The interface is user-friendly, so navigating to the next field should be a breeze. After entering your email, move on to typing your password. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any login issues. Passwords are case sensitive, so keep that in mind if you're having trouble accessing your account. Once you've successfully filled in your credentials, it's time to click on the login button. Upon clicking, if all goes well, you should be whisked away to the Mailchimp dashboard, the command center for all your email marketing activities. Now that you're logged in, let's head over to the campaign section of the site. Here is where all your creative endeavors begin. Click on campaigns to open up a world of possibilities for your email marketing strategies. In the campaign section, you'll find a list of all your email campaigns. Take a moment to locate the campaign you wish to edit, or perhaps you're starting fresh with a new campaign. Either way, find the edit button associated with the campaign of your choice. This action will open up the campaign for further customization. Clicking on the edit design button opens up the template editor where you can bring your email designs to life. This interface is where you'll spend most of your creative process, tweaking and perfecting your message. Within the editor, your attention should now shift to the Layouts tab. Here, Mailchimp offers a variety of pre-designed layouts to simplify your design process. These layouts serve as a great starting point, especially if you're not looking to start from scratch. Among these predefined layouts, you'll find the 3-column option. As you might have guessed, this is where the magic happens for creating a 3-column layout. Click on the 3-column layout to select it, and you'll notice it automatically populates in your campaign editor. This drag and drop feature is incredibly intuitive, making it easy for users of all skill levels to create visually appealing emails. You'll find that each column in the layout can be customized individually, allowing you to insert images, text, or even buttons directly into each section. This flexibility is what makes a 3-column layout so powerful, enabling you to present a wide range of content in a structured, easy to digest format. And just like that, you've mastered the art of creating a 3-column layout in Mailchimp. But don't stop here. Mailchimp offers a treasure trove of tools and features designed to elevate your email marketing. Explore, experiment, and most importantly, have fun with it. Your subscribers will thank you for the visually engaging and informative content you'll now be capable of creating. Remember, the world of email marketing is ever evolving, and staying ahead means continuously learning and adapting. Today's 3-column layout is just the beginning. Who knows what you'll create next? That wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope this guide has demystified the process of creating a 3-column layout in Mailchimp and inspired you to get creative with your email campaigns. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials to help you navigate the digital marketing landscape. Happy emailing!